Okay, y'all, this is my problem. I cannot get my BMW 2018 to even start. It started, I got to work, and it just died on me with one of the drivetrain malfunctions. I can show you when I put my foot on the brake, try to start it. You'll see that that's all I get. Right now, I'm not even getting that. What could it be? That's what all I'm getting is like, want to start, no starter, no alternator. I changed out the battery to try to see if it was just the battery. Didn't do anything, same results. See, that's all I get. There's the drivetrain malfunction. Tried to read codes, and all the codes was about the O2 sensors. I changed the O2 sensors. All right, thanks a lot. Hope to get some kind of answer from someone. Bye.